Come on, boss.
My name is Clint Lothrop. I am the head trainer at the Dog Coach. I have really been working with dogs my entire life. I work with dogs because I enjoy it. I love spending time with the dogs. They're brilliant, they're amazing creatures, and they have a lot to offer us. The first thing I notice about OneTigris is the quality. They really do a great job in combining cost effectiveness and ease of use. It has some pretty nice padding at the base. It is lightweight, so I think it breathes well. And it's got a lot of nice Velcro for all your patches. I couldn't be happier with OneTigris, and I would recommend the harnesses to anyone who asks.